Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you on my channel. My name is Inna and I am a nail master. I like to do manicures and draw beautiful designs on nails. So I've decided to make videos where I can show you step-by-step master classes. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell button not to miss new videos. These are the hands I have to work with today. The coating is 6 weeks old and everything looks pretty good. Only on the nails of the thumbs the nail powder chipped off. On the rest of the nails the top coat perfectly held the nail powder and design. Oh, there is another problem, the detachments on the nail of the thumb. The nails are already long. The free edge outweighs, and with an awkward blow, the coating tears off from the nail plate. That's exactly what happened. The client hit her nail. I remove the old material. There is a detachment on this nail. I hold the nail with my thumb so that it doesn't vibrate and doesn't cause discomfort to the client. I remove the material very carefully, gradually getting closer to the detachment, thinning the old material. When the material lies in a thin layer, the boundaries of the detachment becomes visible. I pass the boundary with a bead to cut off the detachment. As soon as the bead cut off the material, the detachment comes off. I level the surface with a bead and remove the remaining small detachments. I shape the free edge of the nail with a file. I pass the file over the surface, removing the gloss from the overgrown part of the nail plate and the remnants of the material in the area of the former detachment. I make a manicure. I apply a primer on the prepared nails. Now the base coat. I apply it in a thin layer and rub the material into the nail surface. Now to strengthen, assess the situation. The client's nails are flat by nature, so where there will be no detachments, the old material remains. And for the strengthen, I need to add the height of the apex. But where the detachments was removed, the nail is completely flat. The client didn't correct the length. For such length, I need to build the correct architecture so that the coating would hold to the next correction and the nails wouldn't break. I strengthen it with gel. Here I need a solid material for strong strengthening. Strengthen is standard. I put a drop of material in the apex zone and spread it over the surface. You can turn the hand with the nail down so the material will flow from the sides to the center. After strengthening, the nails is still thin. The height is not enough for strength, so I make a second layer of strengthening. That's better. In that way, I strengthen all the nails. I don't like the side view. There is a heel-hook from the apex to the free edge. I like it when there is a straight line from the apex to the free edge. Therefore, I remove this heel-hook with a file and at the same time make the nail edge more thin. The nails on the right hand are covered with a light lilac shade. On the second layer, I even out the color near the cuticle. On the second hand, I apply black color. One layer is enough, so I immediately even it out near the cuticle. On the right hand, I paint over the triangle on the middle fingernail with black gel polish. And on the neighboring nails, I paint over the area diagonally with black gel polish. On the second hand, I apply the silver gel polish, the cat's eye. I collect the glare in the center with a magnet. The nails on the right hand are covered with a top coat without a sticky layer. I fill the black area with rhombus using the silver gel polish in the cat's eye. I draw each rhombus separately, collecting the glare and drying it in the lamp. I do it in that way to prevent the rhombuses merge together. This way I fill in all the black areas on the right hand. On the nails on the left hand, on the silver gel polish, I apply a blue glass gel polish. I apply glass gel polish to each scale of the dragon. I attach rhinestones to the gel. I dry the rhinestones. Now, once again, with a thin brush, I apply the gel around the rhinestones and add the caviar beads to the design. I cover each rhombus separately with a top coat. On the second hand on the nail of the middle finger, I also attach rhinestones and caviar beads. And here I also cover all nails with a top coat. Nail with stones I cover up with a top coat, getting around the rhinestones. I need glitter. I have two shades and the client wants to mix them. I add a little acrylic powder to make the sequins stick better. I apply a top coat on the nail and sprinkle it with a mixture of acrylic and glitter. I remove the excess sequins with a brush, and this was the last stage in this manicure. Such an incredible manicure turned out. It looks very cool in real life. The dragon and the eyes and the cat's eye and the sequins, but in general everything is harmoniously combined. I hope you like the design. If so, I'm waiting for your likes. Subscribe to the channel, there are many interesting videos about manicure ahead. That's all for today, take care of yourself and have a good day!